Geffen is a special big warehouse, and the concept was while you step into the Geffen, you step behind the house into a yard where different neighbor houses meet. The new work is a fantasy and a utopia, how we could live together without fences. It's a location between different houses, not totally clear where they are from, which class, which time. The new work is a multi-channel installation with 5 monitors in windows, projection on the ground, onto the wall, and also an exploded monitor in the pixel forest. Normally we perceive monitors as windows to the world, but in our case here, the windows are the view into the house, and the images go in the night around the corners, paying attention to lousy parts of herbs and street borders and neglected corners, as also the sound is as if our intestines would speak. All together is the borders between nature and civilization, the difficult space where nobody feels responsible for, where we would have much more possibilities if we share the care